Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we have got our monthly Boxycharm a little bit earlier than usual. I know this is a Saturday video instead of a Friday video. I got it in Friday evening, couldn't get edited and all the way up. Decided to schedule it Saturday morning. So anyways, intro. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and go through the box and we're going to try to do it quick. This month is called Boxy and Chill. Super cute. Love the theme. Wish they would have really given us a sleep mask though. Not gonna lie. I don't know if anyone else saw that little joke, but I did and I wanted it. So first for the things we aren't going to use in this video, we got the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray. I have used the Do Not Despair Damage Spray. Incredible. So high hopes for this. My hair's in a bun. We're on like second or third day hair. I'm going to go with second because that sounds better. So we're not going to use it, but I will spray it. Come on. Oh. Yeah, it smells good. So I'm excited for this. I always love Briogeo hair products. They're always super good. I'm excited. Then, for our other product we aren't going to use today, we have got the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. We got 2 of them. These retail like pretty crazy high for a face mask. It's like $24 for these. But from what I've read, when you get the mask out, there's so much extra moisturizer in here. You can squeeze out like a decent sized little jar of it, which is what I'm going to do so that I can keep it and I love it. Also today from the Charm Room, I got the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. So excited for basically like free. That was awesome. Can't wait to try it out. I've heard so many good things about Tatcha, but your girl ain't rolling in money, so she can't buy Tatcha. Now I'm finally going to get to try a little bit of it, and I'm ecstatic. So yeah, that is those 2 things. Next, we are going to go ahead and do our brows. I'm not going to show the whole thing. Brows are boring. But I got the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. It's got a spoolie on this end. And pretty decent little tip on it. Looks like it's kind of a light brown. I don't know. But I'm hoping it's cute because I did just run out of my Anastasia Brow Wiz. So my brows are a disaster. I plucked them a little bit. Still not looking great, but we're going to go ahead and fill them in just a little bit with this. They're still going to look terrible. Don't judge the pencil. I just want to see what kind of strokes it has and how it builds up to get to the color I need. So we're going to speed this up. Okay, so this brow pencil is a little intense. It's really creamy. Okay, I don't like a waxy brow product either, but this is so creamy. It's like an eyeliner. So that's heavy. Yeah, I couldn't really get the front to do what I wanted because this pencil like automatically makes such harsh, thick strokes that yeah, my brow's looking a little bit crazy. I think this is just too soft. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and do my other brow off camera real quick. I'm still going to do it with this. If my brows are crazy, which they are, don't judge me. So let me go do this one real quick. Then we'll come back for our next product. Okay, guys. So I'm really not feeling this brow pencil. Just a personal preference. It's not horrible if I didn't have anything else. Like, it would work. But I don't like it. So, moving on. I would not repurchase, but we got it. That's cool. If nothing else, I have extra spoolie. Yay. Okay, so next we've got our eyeshadow palette, so we're just going to stay zoomed in. I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I really wanted the sizzle, but I got this one. It's still pretty. This is the outside. You know, these are cute. They got a good compact in them. These are the colors that we get in here. Nice neutral shimmery things. And here's the thing with these palettes. You can't really use a brush with them. I have the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. I keep it in my office. This is a fingers only palette. I mean, you can use a brush, but it ain't gonna work because everything in here is a shimmer but one. For me, you know, you're not gonna be able to blend this out really. So I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna pick up our one matte shade, which it's still kind of satin, but I'm gonna pick that up. It's called Tiki, and I'm gonna lay it down for like a base transitional set my primer type of situation. And then we're gonna do something real simple and really easy. And we're only gonna use a brush one more time, which y'all will see. But I'm gonna go ahead, and this is gonna look crazy, but we're gonna bear with me here. I'm gonna take Malibu, this is the darkest color, and I'm gonna grab it on my finger and I'm gonna put it all over the lid. Now I know, what am I doing? Oh my God, you've gone crazy. Why would I put the darkest color everywhere, you may ask? Well, hopefully we'll see if it works out how I want it to. I looked at in the box, which I already threw away, it came with like a little example guide of how you can do your eyeshadow with this. And I know Boxy has done tutorials with this style of palette and said that this is really like a 1-2 go, do it with your fingers. Doesn't take much time at all to do your eyes with this, which, you know, that's good for on the go. That's why I keep these in my office for days that I feel like poo and I don't want to put makeup on. They're simple, they're easy, I can toss on something. Just real work appropriate. Works for me. So now I'm gonna take Heat Wave right beside it. This is more of a champagne-y. Okay, so somewhere in there we quit recording. I don't know where we were, but here's where we're at now. I took the color and I'm gonna take it and try to layer it up in the center of the lid. What I'm hoping for this to do is almost give me a spotlight. Now it's not at all gonna be obvious. It's not gonna be anything fancy, but it would be enough to get you out the door. Have some sparkles going on, which really it's pretty serious sparkles because the whole palette is sparkles. We're gonna take Treasure and we're gonna pop this even closer in the center of this halo to lighten it up a little bit more. Just right here. And you can really tell where that adds a little bit of light just to the middle. Now, is this a super complex, gorgeous, creative look? No. But this is not a super complex palette either. It's not really designed for those kinds of looks. So the only other thing I am going to do is I'm going to take my little angle brush and I'm going to go into this darkest shade with it and drag a little bit across my lower lash line. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but if I don't do something to my lower lash line, it just doesn't feel to me as though I have finished my makeup. And that's probably just a me thing. Though, if you follow makeup trends, a lot of people do something to their lower lash line. But I'm not going to do a whole lot, just a little bit right through here so that you can tell that I paid some attention to it. And then I'm going to take this top center shade right here on my pinky and add this to the inner corner. Ooh, that thing shines a lot. And I'm going to focus it on the bottom of my inner corner to try and open my eyes up and put some up here close-ish to the brow bone, but not too much because I don't want to go crazy. Just a little bit and kind of tap it in there so that we have a little bit of shine, but not too much. So that is all I want to do for the eyes. Like I said, super simple. This is just a get you out the door, maybe to work, maybe to the grocery store, wherever you need to go. Just enough that you can tell you tried, but you didn't put a lot of time into it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara off camera, actually, that I also got in my Boxy. And then we will be right back for our final product. Okay, so here's the cool thing too about when you do a lighter look like this. Your mascara looks 100 times better. And let's be real, this Grande mascara is still incredible. But for our final product, y'all, I'm so shook. I got this. I did not think I would. I got the Ofra Long Lasting Lipstick in Havana Nights. This is a super dark color and it's in their new packaging, and y'all know what that means. We're gonna have a wear test. Now, I thought I had filmed an Ofra wear test before, but apparently I didn't. So we've got a dark color. We will not do the wear test today, but it will be done in the future. I'm gonna put it in my wear test bin. This is an awesome formula if it hasn't changed. I love Ofra lips. I don't really talk about them a whole lot, but they're super good. And this is super dark, which can be really good or really bad. I don't know, we're about to see. But a lot of the time when you do a very neutral eye look, you can pair it with a bold lip and you look glam. So we're gonna try this. I have a little bit of nude lip liner on. We're gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay, so this is the lippy on, but that was our final item in the box. So here we go with a zoom out. Okay, so final thoughts. I think this was a really good box. I know I only got to really show you 3 of the items, but the Tatcha and the Briogeo are both really, really good, useful things that anyone could use, honestly. I mean, this is so good for your hair. It's unreal. The ingredients are amazing. It's incredible. And Tatcha is so good for your skin, and we all need to pay more attention to our skin. Me at the forefront of that movement. The only thing in here that I absolutely really didn't like was the eyebrow pencil, which maybe I'll try it again. I know it couldn't have gotten too hot because it was actually outside and it's really cold here. So it couldn't be too hot. I don't know why it performed that way, but I didn't like it. But other than that, everything was really good. This box had a $110 retail value, which is a lot. I mean, you only pay $21 for the box, so that's super reasonable. You're getting a lot more than what you pay for. Okay, so the last thing that we always do in my videos, I tell you spoilers. So the only ones I know for kind of sure is I do believe in February we're going to be getting the Better Than Sex mascara. I don't think it has been confirmed, but it's a pretty solid assumption. We thought we were going to get it this month, but I think it's going to be next month is what we have determined among the Boxycharm groups on Facebook. And also what has been confirmed is that in the March Boxy Luxe, which I will be getting again, that we will be getting a 15-pan Morphe palette. You can look those up. There's several different variations. From the looks of it, there's going to be 3 or 4 different variations, but what they did send was the warm toned pinkish palette. Can't remember what it's called. I think like 15H maybe. But that is what we're going to get in the March Boxy Luxe. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this video if I can remember. I'm going to put my Boxycharm referral link down in the description. I don't really make money off of it. You know, the referral links, you get charms or whatever. But I'm not a Boxycharm affiliate. I just really love this box. It's one of my favorites. I'm getting it forever. So yes, hopefully this is a quick Boxycharm video. We shall see after editing Florence gets done. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm super happy with this box. This is a nice, simple, on-the-go kind of thing for anyone who wants it. But yes, so I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one, which should be our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Don't hold me to it. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Bye, you guys.